All right, guys, Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts. And in this video, I specifically want to talk about Thieves Vitality Essential Oil. It's 100% pure, therapeutic grade, and you can actually use it as an oil supplement. So before I begin, I want to mention this disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your physician before using these products. So we are also going to be talking about the Seed to Seal Quality Commitment by Young Living. And this is their little logo. So all oils in the world fall into one of four categories: authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. Authentic means that the oils are 100% pure with no added synthetics or other species in the bottle. These are Young Living oils. Manipulated means that the final product has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy. Some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out or another species introduced to enhance their aroma. Perfume oils are not pure. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance the aroma. These oils have no therapeutic action, and frequently solvents are used to extract the plant. Synthetic oils are not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant and are typically labeled as scented products. These are synthetic. So authentic is basically the only true pure oil out there. And synthetic oils would be like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice, and diluting it 95% before you drink it, and diluting it with chemicals. It wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of only orange juice. That's why you want authentic oils. So before you purchase, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process, from the farm to the sealed bottle. Pesticides, pollution, previously farm plant, all of it can actually affect the quality of an oil. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical, only to use an oil laden with chemicals? It just doesn't make any sense. For example, if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll see nutrition facts on the side, but there are no nutrition facts on the side of oils. That means you have to trust the source and you have to know the company you are purchasing from. So what sets Young Living aside? It's their seed to seal process. It's their promise of purity. And you can actually learn more about the seed to seal process at seedtoseal.com. So all of Young Living oils are shipped from around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where they actually run through vigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm, at Spanish Fork, and a third time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil in more than 2 decades of business. You can trust the integrity. Seed to Seal is also based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards. And Young Living oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience. They also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected independent labs. So Young Living Seed to Seal process is a promise of integrity. There are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak, and you can go and visit the farms anytime you'd like. They're then also put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. Seed to Seal is not a slogan, it is a promise. So let's talk about Thieves Vitality. Thieves Vitality Essential Oil Blend combines lemon, clove, eucalyptus, radia, cinnamon bark, and rosemary essential oils to create one of our most popular products. These ingredients work together synergistically to offer one of the key benefits of Thieves Vitality, which is overall wellness and support for a healthy immune system. So you can also use this blend as an addition to your daily wellness regimen. Its sweet, spicy flavor from oils such as clove, lemon, and cinnamon bark give a comforting seasoning to warm food and drinks. So here are some applications. You could actually add 1 to 2 drops to vegetarian gel capsule and take it as a dietary supplement to help support the immune system. You can also put a drop in your morning juice, tea, or coffee, and the spicy sweet flavor will give your morning beverage a flavor boost and provide antioxidant properties. Other applications, you can actually add a drop to oatmeal, granola, or other cereal to elevate your breakfast and help cleanse the digestive system. Take a shot of Ningxia Red with a drop of Thieves Vitality for a quick, spicy boost. With cinnamon bark, clove, rosemary, and more, Thieves Vitality has a warm, spicy aroma and flavor. You can add it to a warm cup of tea or bowl of hot cereal for just a rich, complex flavor and cleansing and immune-supporting properties. You could also dilute 1 drop with 4 drops of a carrier oil and put it in a capsule and take it 1 time daily. So here are some cautions, and I just want to have to mention the disclaimer again, but you're going to have to keep this out of reach of children. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult a health professional prior to use. And if contact with skin occurs, you want to avoid direct sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours, especially those hot oils that are in this blend. And again, these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. And Young Living's products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So here's some product background. The proprietary blend used in Thieves Vitality was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated and wore a special aromatic combination of clove, rosemary, vinegar, and other botanicals. French authorities recognized that there was such a value in this mixture that upon the thieves' capture, they received a more merciful punishment on condition that they divulge the ingredients in their secret formula. So combining cloves, cinnamon, lemon, eucalyptus, and rosemary essential oils, Thieves Vitality is one of Young Living's most popular products. And again, here is Thieves Vitality Essential Oil. And again, it's 100% pure. It's therapeutic grade, and you can use it as a supplement. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.